little monkey swinging in a tree, waving to the zookeeper, full of glee. He jumps up high, then down so low. Counting is fun, come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, clap with me. 4, 5, 6, stomp your feet. 7, 8, 9, twirl around. 10 little animals make a sound. Marching by, while swinging their trunks, oh my, oh my. They splash in the water, having fun. Counting to 2, let's jump and run. 1, 2, 3, clap with me. 4, 5, 6, stomp your feet. 7, 8, 9, twirl around. 10 little animals make a sound. 3 tall giraffes reaching up high, eating the leaves near the sky. Stretching their necks, they look so cool. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, it's the rule. 4 roaring lions taking a rest, lying in the sun, they like it best. 1 wakes up and starts to play. Now count to 4, hip hip hooray. 5 pandas rolling on the ground. 6 little penguins waddling around. 7 snakes slithering near. 8 hopping bunnies bringing cheer. 1, 2, 3, clap with me. 4, 5, 6, stomp your feet. 7, 8, 9, twirl around. And 10 little animals make a sound. The counting zoo was so much fun, so much fun. We counted together one by one, one by one. Come back again and sing along, sing along. There's numbers and animals make us strong.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.